I had been observing the small, thin tornado, the one that's shaped really, describing it as being like a pencil is fairly accurate. Near Prairie Dell, that's 4.5 miles from Gerald. And that tornado had been almost stationary. The tornado began to move about 3:20 in the afternoon. It began to move toward the south, down the interstate highway, about halfway to Gerald, 2 miles or so. And that necessitated turning my back on the tornado. Turned around. It had changed. It was no longer a small pencil-shaped tornado. It was what we call a multi-vortex tornado, which is a series of small tornadoes or vortices rotating around a central point.